What is up, humans? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to sync or dance together with your friend in TOD. I did not mention this in my video, so this is just going to be a short video of how you do it. Now I got my friend Potato here. I was just telling them what we're going to do for the video. So Potato, I'm just going to tell Potato, do a dance. Do a dance. Potato, just do a dance real quick. Potato's just doing $1 Million Baby. You see how it says sync right there?
Swerve and a dip, turn your body, me never.
You saw how she just stopped? We were dancing together. Now let's say I do my own dance. And I'm going to say, dance again. She's doing the dance, now I just got to click sync. Before, so let me see if Potato has anything to say. Potato, you got anything to say to the subscribers? Potato said hi. Hi in the comments to Potato. She was actually able to help me out with this tutorial. Smash that subscribe button, and then you'll get more tutorials. Don't forget to light up the like. And have a good day. That's a perfect ending to a video. Comment any dances that you want me to do in TOD as a short.